Ay, gago. Pumasok pa si Robby. Paano ko siya, ititape? Paano ko siya titape? After na lang.
Okay. So, race to 21 po tayo, no rules. Take isang timeout lang for both teams. For our first service, we have Danielle Garcia. Nice serve by Danielle. Ako yung bola. Inangat. Inover lang. Nakuha ni Garay. Sinin. Inover ni Carsten. Owe. Inover pinalik. Now serving. Nakuha ni Steph. Sinin ni Art. Pumalo si Robin. Nakuha ni bola. Sinin. Pumalo si number 2. Nakabang na si Steph. Sinin ni Art. Nari Carsten. Pwede. Nomer. Pumalo. Score is now 2-0 to Sinin. Still the serve. Nice serve for Robby. Sinin ni Art. Lower lang set. Good. Inside. Score is now 2-1. Now on the service line, Art. Good serve by Art. Nakuha yung bola. Sinin. Pumalo si number 2. Score is now 3-1 in favor of St. Anthony. Now serving. Good serve nakuha ni Steph. Inover. Point goes to St. Anthony. The score is now 4-1. Stepping on the line. The score is now 4-2. Now serving Robby. Good serve by Robby. Nakuha yung bola. Sinin. Pinalo. Good pa rin. Sinin yung number 2. Uy! Naset niya kay Casper. Score is now 4-3. Lamang na sa St. Anthony. Robby still on the serve. Good serve. Nakuha yung bola. Sinin. Pinalo. Abang si Seth. Sinin ulit. Pumalo si Luigi. Nakuha yung bola. Sinin yung number 18. Pumalo si number 2. Nakuha si Art. Inangat si Seth. Malo si Luigi. Score is now all 4. So bola. Sinet. Score is now 5-4 in favor of the Elite Boys. Substitution. 16-18 out. Service Bernard Roby. Nice serve. Nakuha yung bola. Pinangan yung number 2. Chance ball. Nakuha ni Carson. Sit. Over. Point for the Elite Boys. The score is now 6-4. Still serving. Nice serve. Nakuha yung bola. Pinangat. Pinangat yung number 1. Sinanihan. Pumalo sa bigla. Another point for the Elite Boys. The score is now 7-4. Substitution. Roby out. Elijah in. Now serving Elijah. Good serve. Ball number 11. Sinet. Pumalo. Nakabang si Carson. Sinet ni Art. It's over. Score is now 7-5. Now serving Jerson, number 2. Nice serve. Nice save. Boy pa rin. Chance ball. Nakuha yung bola. Inangat. Pumalo si number 14. Nakuha niya. Sinet ni Art. Pumalo si Luis. Check ball. Score is now 8-5 in favor of the Elite Boys. Now serving Carson. Good serve. Services by Carson. Score is now 9-5. Service arrow. Score is now 9-6, still in favor of the Elite Boys. Ang serve na buhay pa. Sinet ni Art. Pumalo si Luigi. Outside. Point for the Elite Boys. Score is 10-6. Now serving Gal. Ay! Masyado siya nagigil to. The score is now 10-7. Now serving Jersey, number 11. Good serve, nakuha ni Garay. Senior, buwan sa kanya. Inside. Score is now 11-7. Now serving Luigi. Good serve by Luigi. Nakuha ni bola. Sinet. Yung over lang. Nakuha ni Daniel. Sinet sa kapilang pinala. Point for point for the Elite Boys. Score is now 12-7. Still on the serve. No serve, nakuha yung bola. Sinet. Ay, hindi umabot. Score Substitution. Venezin Bansil out. Break in Luigi out. Now serving Drake. Service error. Score is now 13-8. Now the service line. Good serve. Going on. Lower guard. Nakuha ni number 1. Sinip. Pumalo si number 2. Nakawag sa drink doon. Sinip ni Art. Pumalo si Mal. Uy, tinitigan pa. Lower. Nakawag si Seth. Sinip ni Art. Inula. Point for St. Anthony. Score is now 13-9. Service pa rin number 14. Uy, service error. Score is now 14-9. Now serving Art. Nice serve by Art. Nakuha yung bola. Sinip. Pumalo sa number 2. Blocked by Delhi Boys. Score is now 15-9. Still on the serve. Nice serve by Art. And that's a service ace by Art. Score is now 16-9. Diamond St. Anthony.
Nawala agad momentum. Chan! Chan! Ano ba kayo? Ano ba basketball? Ano ba buhay mo? Ha? Buhay mo ako mo. Ito, dala mo ka? Agay ka na lang. Diba? Wala ko agad momentum.
Get ready for next game, girls division. Elite girls versus St. Anthony girls. Let's get back to our ball game. The score is now 16-9, still in favor of the elite boys. Substitution. 22 out, 23 in. Now serving Art. Good serve ng one bola. Sinip. Uy! Not over. Score is now 17-9 in favor of the elite boys. Substitution. Eleven in, 32 out. Now serving Riley. Good serve by Riley. Castle outside. Score is now 17-10. Now serving. Good serve. Nakuha ni Elijah. Sinip Jose. Lumataw si Elijah. Good pa rin. Sinip. Lower lang. Nakuha yung bola. Sinip. Pabalik. Point for the elite boys. Score is now 8-9. dyan. Nice serve by pa. In-over lang na ang bola. In-over lang din. Nakuha ulit. Sinet. Uy! Pinawag siya doon. Score is now 18-11. Now serving. Good serve. Nakuha ang set. Naman yung bola. In-over. Nakuha ulit. Sinet. Pumalang outside. Warning 11. Score is now 19-11. Substitution. 6 in, 28 out. Now serving set. Uy, service ace by jersey number 4. Score is now 20-11. Last point for the Elite Boys. Uy, masyadong excited si Elso. Wait tayo sa pito na. Ay, mga mabilis. Wait lang. Chill ka lang. Ayan. Nice serve. Service ace. And that's the end of our ball game. Get ready, Elite Girls versus St. Anthony Girls. For our linesman, dalawa po from VNS. Linesman, dalawa po from VNS. Hello. For our next game after our girls division, mag-warm up na po tayo. For our developmental division, BF1 versus BF2. Mag-ready na po tayo. Kasi after this game, diretso na po tayo. Wala na po warm up later. Okay.
Thank you po.